Hey guys, it is our new arrival clear acrylic light bulb that we made for our famous beer brand in China. And it consists two parts. One is clear acrylic base, clear and green acrylic base, and another part is LED tube inside. It is also very easy to install. You just need to fix two screws to the wall and drive one wiring hole. And there are two fixing holes on the back. And then you just need to hang up this sign by the two screws. It's very easy. It can also be customized and very suitable to be used as your shop or bar or restaurant decoration. So if you have such inquiry, please just call us today and using this light box to give your client